So my name is Vinay Jarajwar and today's date is 26th of October 2023 and today we are discussing about the garbage collection in the Java. So basically garbage collection it is a very important topic in the Java that is used to remove the unwanted object or the unusable object that is no longer used in the Java. They are supposed to remove by using the garbage collection. So basically garbage collection are handled by the garbage by using the garbage collector in it. So it like you can say it sets the null reference to the zero, which is the object which is not longer used. So let us discuss about the basic of the garbage collection. So like it is an automated process that is used to delete the object that is no longer needed or used. And also this is the automatically clears the memory space and by using the garbage collection reduce the memory uses of the memory and that could be improving our time or it takes unwanted objects. So memory supposed to be the free and our system will be accurately run according to our requirement. And after that, Java application are compiled into bytecode that may be executed by the JVM. And suppose the object are the produced on the heap memory. So in case of if you declare the any of the if you let me give some example if you declare some of the element in the string, then if it is checking the element are present or not, if it is present, then it could be if it is already present, then it takes their memory. And after that, if it is duplicated the value, then it is store into the garbage collection. And after that, garbage collection means you don't need to be have control over whether the object are deleted. This is the contrast to language like C, C++, where garbage collection is handled manually. However, the automatic garbage collection is popular for the good reason because manual memory management is you can say it is hard and it is used to contain the slow circumstance over the application development. So the manual garbage collection is all over the slow. So in the Java, it is automatically followed by the JVM or it is present in the JVM when the object are not used, or you can say then the garbage collection are comes in the picture. So after that, garbage collection, it is used for the plugin purpose in the JVM where the JVM start to build and it does not store the unwanted value inside the memory. So that is the like uh, basics of the garbage collection. So let us see how it is work. So during the garbage collection process, the collector scans the different part of the heap, looking for the object that are not used. If an object no longer any reference to it, then it is elsewhere it is eliminates those objects which is not being used and it frees the memory. So that is how the garbage collection work. Thank you so much.